Hello friends, we are discussing about a pattern programming. So we have to print this pattern. So this pattern will be printed in two parts. First, in the first part we will print this much amount of star, and in the next part we will be printing this much. So there are for loops that will do this. So first of all we will see this part how this will be executed. So I have stdio.h, conio.h, these are the header file. Then I have a main function, and now we will declare some variables. So the variables will be row and space, column, and it will be the number of rows. So printf, enter the number of rows, enter the number of rows. So scan this value, scanf, %d, comma ampersand n. Now we will have a for loop for row will be equal to 1, row less than equal to n, row plus plus, and then in this for loop we will have two for loop. One to print the space, it will be space equal to 1, space less than equal to n minus row space plus plus. Then in this we will print the space, printf. Now we have to print the space. Then we have another for loop for column will be equal to 1, column less than equal to 2 into row minus 1, column plus plus. Then we will print the star, printf star, and then we will print the new line, printf slash n for new line. So close the for loop and run this part. We have to give the number of rows. Suppose the number of rows is 6. It is working. Include a CLR SCR here. CLR SCR to clear the screen. Now run it. Okay. Now we can move to the next part. So in the next part, we have to make a lower triangle. For a lower triangle, we need a for loop for row will be equal to n minus 1, row greater than equal to 1, row minus minus. So this will be a decremental loop, and in this what you have to do, you have to just copy these statements, because this is the process which you have to execute. So I'll be copying it from here, and I just have to paste this here. And then close the for loop, close the for loop and run the program. So enter the number of rows, suppose it's 6. So this we have coded for the next part. So this is the program to code this pattern. Again we will see So this is the section, this is the section to print the upper triangle, and this is the section to print the lower triangle. So with the help of this code, we will be able to print our pattern. Thank you.